motherfucker, you got a phone call. Pick it up, okay?
I got a friend, my friend's calling me, yeah. You haven't got one, no. Yeah. My friend likes me, yeah, calling me on my phone. Haha, I got a friend, my friend loves me. My friend wants to talk to me, yeah, 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 yeah. Haha, you ain't got no friends like this, no.
Oh my God, it feels so good. Oh yeah, slow down. Oh yeah, who's your daddy? Who's your daddy? Oh my God. Oh yeah, play with my balls. Oh, that feels so good. Yeah, just roll them around. It was so good.
Yo, who's that? Yo, pick up the phone. Hello? What's that? Yo, where's Dookie? Yo, Dookie. Yo. What's that? What's that?
You are gay.
This is the police. Please answer your phone.
Oh, son of a gun. You thought I was going to say son of a bitch, didn't you?
Pick up the phone, cause you want this call and you cannot lie. You other brothers can't deny. When a girl calls in with a custom tone and is ringing on your brand new phone, you get sprung. Better pick up.
You know something, in India it is against our religion to use bad language. And we don't like to use bad words, but in this case you need to pick up your fucking phone, man, because someone tried to call you bastard guy.
Pimp, pick up your phone, pimp, pick up your phone. You got hoes calling, ho, ho. Everything must go, maybe even you. Pick up the phone.
Hey, your phone is ringing. Hey, your phone is ringing. Hey, your phone is ringing.
Hey, answer the freaking phone.
You have a hoe on line 1, 2, 3, 4, and 6. That's a hoe on line 1, 2, 3, 4, and 6.